So it's my time of the month. I mean, it's that time of the month that I have to do some maintenance on my leather machines. Now, I have two that I use every single day. I have a sewing machine, and I have a bell skiver. I've been putting this one off, the sewing machine, because it's a pain in my ass. I have to oil like 25 different locations. And this needle should probably be changed every 40 hours of use, but it's been about a month of every single day getting used, so it's pretty dull. Now, the bell skiver doesn't need as much oiling, but this blade here, the bell, needs to be sharpened, and it's dull as shit. Now, oiling the sewing machine might not be as noticeable of a difference on a daily basis, but this getting super dull makes it really, really hard to skive leather, because that's exactly what it's meant for. It's meant to thin out the leather that I want for like interior card pockets and such. So having a dull blade here means it's a lot harder to work with on a daily basis. So I'm going to start with this because it's just a little bit more important to make sure that this is sharp, because it's also going to be safer. Now that the bell skiver is sharp as a tack, we can move on to oiling my sewing machine in like the 50 different spots that they make you oil. That's pretty much the gist of taking care of these two machines, just sharpening and oiling. I'll be replacing the needle soon, not quite time yet from the looks of it. I thought it was a little bit more dull than it was, so when it comes time for that, I'll shoot another video. Let me know if you have any questions.